Closing your eyes, taking a few deep breaths, and connecting to your center. With each breath, setting the intention that you're breathing in unlimited amounts of abundance and breathing out anything that is no longer serving you. As across time and space, we call upon your beautiful spiritual team, your guides, your angels that love you unconditionally only and are serving the light only, to be here with us today for guidance, assistance, and healing. With each breath, allowing yourself to drop deeper and deeper into your body. As we now ask your beautiful spiritual guides to take you up into the quantum realms, I'd like you to visualize that there is a golden staircase leading upwards appearing in front of you. And just beginning to climb up that flight of stairs now, with each step knowing you are connecting to higher realms. And with each step feeling yourself drop more and more into your body. Good, feeling yourself completely relaxing now as you reach the top of that flight of stairs. And find yourself facing a closed golden door, knowing intuitively that on the other side of that closed golden door is your sacred healing space that's going to look unique to you. Might be a cave, a garden, a beach, a temple. Go ahead, open it now, and just notice how it looks. As you walk into this space, paying attention to how your energy feels. I'd like you to walk into the center of this space now, and we're going to call in the highest self of money to be here with you in this space now, knowing that the physical money that we see is a manifestation of a consciousness, of an energy, and we are calling that higher consciousness and energy into this space with you. So across time and space, we call in the higher self of money to be here with you now. And how does money greet you? Does money greet you like an old friend that it's excited to see because you've treated money so well? Or are they a bit standoffish, feeling let down by the relationship? I want you to notice the relationship between you and money as money enters into this space with you. I want you now to welcome money into the space. Thank you for coming, money. Thank you for being here with me. And I'd like you to take a moment from within your heart to truly apologize to money. Any times you've gotten angry at money, you felt let down, you've been annoyed at money. Maybe you got so angry at a bill that you had to pay for your water or your electricity. Take a moment just to say, I'm sorry, money. Maybe you clung on to money. Maybe you held money. Just take a moment to truly from your heart apologize to money. Good. And I'd like you now to tell money how you're actually choosing to see money. What is this new relationship that you're creating with money? Is it a joyful, reciprocal relationship? Do you see a future for yourself where you and money are co-creating and helping people? Do you see a future where money is supporting you to have fun, to enjoy life, to truly do the things you want to do? Go ahead and co-create and tell money, I desire more of you in my life because this is what I desire, to co-create with you and share that future that you desire with money. As you're sharing, notice the energy of money completely begin to change, feeling how excited money is becoming about getting to work with you, about getting to flow into your life. The energy begins to shift. And I want you to say to money, I'm ready. I'm ready to receive you now. And feeling as money begins to move towards you and completely surround your energy field, your entire body, feeling money like an energy that is flowing around your body. It's magnetized to you. It's excited to cooperate you. And I want you to welcome money and say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Truly, thank you, money. From your heart, feel the truest and purest gratitude. Money, I'm so grateful for everything that we're going to do together. I'm so grateful for everything you have brought into my life up at this stage. Whether it be a holiday you've got to go to, maybe it's the fact that money pays the bills that keeps a roof over your head. What are you so grateful for money? Let money know. Understand that money's consciousness is all about giving and receiving, and allow yourself to receive. Open your energy field, allow yourself to receive more money flowing to you. And take a moment now to really connect to the life that you will live in co-creation with money. Visualize it, feel it, really enjoy it. And as you're doing that, I'm going to support energetically activating higher abundance channels through a light language activation. Tere toroko tarina ma are testara tanade tarakai ikiristina tarawatai ekara teyena toro yawanata era tutoria marata kikuri estera tena tatai tutoro watayena matara ekaristina taratai teyena arkata horteyena marata testara teyena kikirista ya arkaden turtai maratina turuyana a ikaristina watara mutara watai kikiristina taratai te barastino tutoro watayena kikarasta te morotoina watarastana teka tena tera watayena watarastana kera a tarastena tatara a. Good, and just allowing yourself to receive, feeling the abundance channels in your body opening. And allow yourself now to lean on money energetically. What does it feel like to be so supported, so held by money? What is the energy? What is the emotional state of what it feels like to be fully supported by money? And I'd like you now to thank money for coming through and doing this work with you. And I want you to keep this connection of the higher self of money in your field. And I want you to see yourself now walking out of this space, back through that golden door that you came in, back down that golden flight of steps, with each step feeling yourself come back into your body, coming back all the way back. Good. Coming back into your body now as we thank your beautiful spiritual team for coming forward to support us and feeling the energy of money there still with you. Feel how supported you are. Good. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back into your space.